We have more drug arrests out of Delta County to tell you about tonight. 2 people are facing felony drug charges. Police found 200 grams of meth in the woods. 40-year-old Jenny Donahue and 35-year-old Corey Racine are both from Gwinn. They were arrested in Delta County Saturday after 2 traffic stops. The Michigan State Police hasn't told us where this happened. The Delta County Prosecutor's Office says after those traffic stops, MSP and Gladstone Public Safety investigators found 208 grams of meth in the woods. Donahue and Racine are both charged with felony delivery, manufacture of meth. If convicted, they each face up to 20 years in prison or a $25,000 fine. Donahue has yet to post her $20,000 cash surety bond. Racine did not have a cash bond set in Delta County District Court. The prosecutor's office asked the judge to impose one. The judge cited a medical issue and instead placed Racine on house arrest with a GPS tracker. The next court date for Donahue and Racine is March 6th. Following these drug arrests and 2 more over the past weekend, the Delta County Prosecutor's Office is providing clarification on how bond amounts are determined. TV6's Tristan Kendrick explains the bond process.
Delta County Prosecutor Lauren Wickman says there has been a trend of rising drug overdose deaths in the community. This past weekend's multiple drug arrests have fueled frustration in the community. Wickman says residents have contacted her on Facebook to make sure criminals are held accountable. She is explaining to the community that bond is set by the court, usually by a judge.
We get a voice in it, we get to advocate our position on it, but ultimately it's not a decision that our office makes. Somebody outside of the court system might not see that or understand that, which is completely understandable. So I just wanted to provide that information.
Wickman says the judge makes bond decisions based on past court appearances and safety concerns. She says sometimes drug dealing is seen as a minor danger in the court's perspective. The prosecutor's office has the ability to and does advocate for cash bonds in all drug-related cases. However, Wickman says securing those for this past weekend's drug arrests was difficult.
I argued in the last couple cases that we've had, because of the amount of drugs that we were dealing with, that needed to be considered in danger to the community and that a cash bond needed to be imposed. Some of the instances the judge agreed and did impose a cash bond. On other instances he went against my request for a cash bond.
Wickman says she is determined to continue to catch criminals involved in selling drugs. Tristan Kendrick, TV6 News, Escanaba.
We went to Judge Steve Park's office this afternoon to request an interview for this story. His secretary said the judge was not available for comment.